run to town to mail some stuff at the post office. Went looking for an SD card. Can't find anything in that little town. So since we're outside building some raised beds and doing some things, we were going to do hot dogs and s'mores. I ran in to get that. I ended up with some chips and all kinds of stuff extra. The babies like marshmallows. I found some small ones, so those would be better for them. The bread for the hot dogs. The big marshmallows. Chocolate, of course, you gotta have all the chocolate. Put them on. These. Oh, it's something the kids weren't supposed to see. Chocolate covered almonds. But as you can tell, those got ate on the way home. Another reason I can't lose weight. Okay, while I was there, I didn't know Dollar General had stuff for planting, so I was so excited. I found some seed starters. So I needed to get some of my tomatoes and bell peppers started so we don't have to buy those this summer. So I bought one of these. I think there's 2 of them in it. It'll hold 72. The 72 sale. So that'll help. And well, this, I bought prizes for my kids. I had my younger kids for reading and stuff. Dollar prizes that motivates them at the end of the week in their little treasure box. So I found some more seeds. I didn't know they had them. And they're only 4 for $1. So we ended up with some sunflowers. I think I got 2 of those. I'm going to try these cucumbers. We always buy a pickling cucumber and then another one. I don't remember the name of it at the feed store. But this one's a Market More. So I got a couple of those. And I bought some gourds. My kids love to make things. There was a few years ago we've done birdhouses. So I found the gourd seeds. I bought several of those. I think actually all they had. So we can plant those and let them dry. And that's projects that they can make. I think we actually done them for gifts and different things. Here's an Asheville pickling cucumber. I found some sweet banana peppers. Spinach everywhere else, and then I buy the sunflowers because the kids love to see flowers, and it does pollinate. Chives, some onions. I do have some that's already growing, but I wanted to keep the seeds. And like I say, I may not plant all these, but I would like to keep them so we'll have them future-wise if I can't find any. And actually, some of my seeds are coming out of one of these. That one right there. So be careful, they may be open. And then I found some beefsteak tomatoes. And I have looked everywhere. I have a few peppers, but it was hard to find. And Walmart and other places wanted, the feed store, they don't have all their big bulk seed in. So they have these, and they're expensive. They're like $3 a pack. So I found these, and I think I got all they had. They're 4 for $1. These are the California Wonder. I'm not sure how well those are. That's not the brand I usually buy, but it's better than nothing if it grows. And I found a couple of carrots, packaged Danvers half long. I'm gonna put them in my raised bed. And then there's some more sunflowers, the Mammoth Russian, to go with the Lemon Queen and the Evening Sun ones. So I was excited. I didn't know Dollar General had seeds, and then these planters things. And I think my mom said she had some. I think this is what she's talking about, but I've got to make a trip over there to visit her and Danny and see about what she had for us. Because this probably is not enough. We plant a lot of bell peppers, a lot of tomatoes. We go through a lot of tomatoes. My kids can eat tomato sandwiches, like 2 or 3 each child. So Kimmy and Brian, he'll keep mayonnaise at work, 5 loaves of bread, and just take tomatoes and salt and pepper, and that's what he'll slice up for work. Very, very good lunch. And then if you want to add something to it, you can make a BLT. Cook some bacon, add some lettuce, and that makes it even better. But anyway, I was so excited about my grocery haul. my little Dollar General haul because, like I say, I ran in there to get them some stuff so they can have their little outdoor eating while we're still building and things. Got to keep them busy. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, they got seeds. Well, some of them was 2 for $1. These was 4 for $1. Okay, they got me, but still, 50 cents a pack isn't bad. But these are 4 for $1. The rest of them, well, some of the peppers, you'll have to look. I didn't realize that. The onions are 2 for $1. The spinach and peppers and some of those, and the gourds are all 4 for $1. So the ones that was 2 for $1, the carrots and the mama russians and the tomatoes and the peppers. So still not a bad deal. So if you get a chance and you got Dollar Generals, which if I need some more, there's Dollar Generals on every street corner in Mississippi. It's like everywhere you go, there's a Dollar General. So I could go find a lot more stuff. And they only had one more of these. I left it. I just picked up one since they had one more. But for $5, plant 72. That's not very bad. So maybe they'll last. I don't know if they'll last till next year or not. The way they are, they're kind of like those you buy plants in at Walmart. So they may not last. But I'm gonna see if I can take care of them, make them last another year or so. But thank you for stopping in.